The secret behind 2 decades of steady operation for high-altitude wind turbines lies in the pickling process of APMC wind power gears. Industrial gear acid pickling is a professional metal surface purification treatment. It removes mill-scale, rust, and contaminants, creating a flawless base for high-precision gear transmission. As a professional transmission manufacturer, APMC Transmission owns a certified eco-friendly acid pickling and crack detection production line, supporting custom processing for large workpieces up to 4 meters in diameter. The pickling process reveals invisible microcracks and hidden defects. Strict post-inspection eliminates potential risks, guaranteeing long-term safe operation of wind turbines. Meanwhile, purified metal surfaces boost coating adhesion, transmission accuracy, and corrosion resistance, extending service life and maintaining stable performance in harsh wind farm environments. We provide customized wind gear solutions for 2 megawatts to 20 megawatts. APMC delivers premium gear components to power global green energy with reliable quality. Follow us for more wind gear manufacturing and processing technology. Leave your topics in the comments.